Hello folks, welcome back. In this video we're going to be looking at uploading images. I hope you'll forgive me if I talk a little bit quicker than usual, but we do have a lot to go through and I'm going to be sticking very closely to the Codeigniter user guide, okay? Everything we're doing is basically from the user guide here, and that's the vibe. So let's begin. I want to go to this create page here, so let's open that up. And what we're going to do is we're going to copy all of this content here from the div thing and we'll paste upstairs here, okay? And then I want us to take the inside stuff here right up to that box content and we're going to scoop that stuff out, okay? Next we'll do a little bit of tidying up here, something like this, hello, something like this, okay? And something like that. And let me just see if I can get this a bit tidier. Okay, that'll do. And then here I'm going to say item options at the top. And I'm going to draw a bunch of buttons here, okay? So we'll just go something like that, and we'll say type equals button, class equals btn primary, and that's going to be upload item image, okay? And that's going to go like that. And in fact, let's do a bunch while we are here of other item options. So something like update item colors, we'll have that. I apologize for my UK spelling of the word colors. We'll have update item sizes, and then we'll have update item, how about categories? And last we'll have delete item, okay? And delete item is going to be a red button. So these are just some extra item options that we're going to have, and that's what they look like, okay? However, these options will only appear if it's an update. In other words, if is numeric update ID, okay? If we have a numeric update ID, then we're going to have this stuff appearing. Otherwise, we are not going to have these options. Let me show you what this looks like. If we go to create item, you'll see that we do not have those options. But if we go to edit item, then all of a sudden the options appear, okay? Now, this item image thing, let's take that to a meaningful page. I'm going to use short tags. I used to not like short tags, but I've kind of grown to like them recently for some reason. And that's going to go to upload image, and then we'll pass in the update ID. Okay, so when we click this button, it goes to upload image. Now, upload image is going to bear a striking resemblance to this create thing here. I mean, they're both basically forms, right? So I'm going to copy the create thing. I'm going to paste it in, and in here I'm going to say upload image, and we'll take out all of this stuff here. Just simplify, you know. And here we'll say data headline equals upload image, okay? And you know how we've passed the image ID via the URL? We actually could, if we want, go like this. And then as a little security thing, we could say if not is numeric update ID, then redirect site security not allowed. Okay? Oh, and the view file would be upload image. Let me just add in a kind of dummy view file for the moment. Upload image.php, just to show you what's happening. So if someone clicks upload image, it's going to take us here, okay? But if somebody puts something crazy in like this, it's going to divert us to the not allowed. Now, why did it do that? Because we are checking to make sure it's a numeric update ID. Don't forget, we're also checking to make sure that it's an administrator. So we have some cool security here, okay? So that's looking rather good. Now's the bit where we go to, actually before we go to the Codeigniter user guide, let's go to this thing here. We'll copy this and we'll paste in here. And we'll write upload image. Okay, we'll take this out here. And now is the time when we go to the user guide, the Codeigniter user guide, and we're gonna just go copy this stuff and we'll paste it in here, okay? Now, this is gonna get an error message coming up, okay, because it doesn't know what this error thing is. So let's just say if is set error, just for the moment. I don't want to get bogged down with this error business, you know. So we'll do that, hit refresh, and it looks kind of good. The form URL is going to be store items, and then let's pass the item ID in. This is going to be important later on, as you'll see. So now when we hit submit, it goes to do upload and then / the item ID, okay? So it's, you know, we're staying pretty close to the user guide here and everything is cool. Next, I'm going to go to the Codeigniter user guide and I'm going to get this do upload function thing working, okay? So we actually don't need this public thing for the moment, and for the purposes of being consistent, I'll take it out. So do upload is basically, as far as we're concerned, it's basically, well, do you know what? Let's just take it straight from the user guide. How about that? Would that be okay with you? Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to fix the spacing here. And we'll take this here. Okay. So that's cool. Now the upload folder is going to be, we're not going to have uploads, we're going to have a folder called big pics, okay? This is where the big pictures of the item are going to go. So I'm making a new folder and I'm calling it big pics, okay? Just to make sure we don't have any permissions errors, I'm going to go in and quickly do this, right? I do not want permissions errors. And we'll head back in here. And that's kind of not too bad at all. I'm going to simplify these processes a bit. So if it works, I'm just going to say well done. And we'll do that, okay, just for the moment. And if it doesn't work, well, we've got this. I'm going to take this out. We've got this error thing here, which is going to be an array. So I'm just going to say for each error, and we'll just say something like echo value. Okay, so we've basically just simplified things a little bit, and let's just see what happens. I'm going to refresh this, and we have not selected a file. You see that? And I'm going to hit upload, and you can see it says you did not select a file. That's perfect. So that was looping through this stuff here. That's why we got that. Okay, let's do the thing properly now. Let's choose a file. And I have a nice picture of a guitar here. I'm going to upload, and it says well done. And this is what the picture looks like, by the way, in case you're wondering. And if we go into big pics, here it is, good as you like, and everything is fine. So that, my friends, is basic image uploads, okay? Pretty basic, but that gets us out of the starting blocks with this. In the next video, I'm going to make this form look a little bit nicer, and I'm going to gracefully deal with error messages and the success message and all of that stuff. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.